Okay. All right. A little crowded here. I just got through security after that long line there behind me, and I'm gonna have to make a plug here for TSA Pre-Clearance. Man, it's well worth paying the $100 a year for it. So I'm just entering the Terminal 1 area here. And I have about an hour and 20 minutes or so before my flight. So I'm just going to chill here, charge up what's left here of my phone, and yeah, just get ready to fly up to San Francisco. So let's take a look here. Kind of give you guys a shot here of the Terminal 1. This terminal is going to eventually be knocked down, I was told, and they'll build a brand new one. But yeah, right here from San Diego, California. So, but looking forward to the quick trip up north to San Francisco. And kind of get an idea here. I'm just kind of walking around here in circles. If you want to get some overpriced beer and food, they have a nice little bar here. And yeah, so let's see here. There's another shot here as I walk around. But anyway, I hope everybody's going to have a great Labor Day weekend. And I'll be checking in with all you guys when I arrive in San Francisco. And it's going to be a nice little 2 days in the city. I'm kind of curious. I haven't been up there in a while, but I've heard San Francisco's kind of been going through some problems with all the homelessness and drug use and everything. That'll be kind of interesting to see. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing great. This is Dhaval signing off here from the Terminal 1 here at the San Diego International Airport. And I'll check in with you guys soon when I arrive in San Francisco.